Today's video is about 5 of the best bike chain cleaner that a biker can use for the maintenance of his bicycle. There are many products available to choose bike chain cleaners, each with different features, advantages and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did in-depth research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best bike chain cleaners from renowned brands. After a great deal of research, I found these products very useful for people like you. If you would like to find out more about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEFOO Bike Chain Washer. If you want a simple maintenance tool to clean and maintain your bike chain, the WEFOO Bike Washer is an excellent fit. It is just a simple cleaning brush specially designed to remove dirt and debris in the bike chain. One of the outstanding features of this product is its unique design, which helps in removing all the dirt clinging to the bike chain. It comes with 3-sided bristles, which allow you to clean all the sides of the chain. Another outstanding feature of this product is its multi-purpose usage. Apart from cleaning bicycle chains, this bike chain cleaner brush can also be used on a motorcycle chain, ATV chain, and many more. In addition, this chain brush cleaner will make the maintenance of your bike chain effortless. The structure of the brush is very durable and sturdy, which makes it perfect for cleaning the chain of the bike. This chain brush will work perfectly on the chain of your bike. The bristles are durable enough to remove all the dirt on the chain. Number 2. Finish Line Bike Lube. If you are an avid biker, you should know the importance of a lubricant to the bicycle chain. Since the dry chain wears faster, proper lubrication will help prevent it, making this bike chain lube from Finish Line very important. The primary purpose of this bike chain cleaner solvent is to make the maintenance of the chain quickly done. The problem with dirt and grime, when left unchecked, is it accumulates the chain and helps contribute to the wear, which in turn affects the efficiency of the bike chain. This product is also perfect if you frequently use your bike off the road or even on mountainous terrain, which provides more tension on the chain. This product will help in easing the stress and support the chain works well without any issues. Another purpose of this chain cleaner is to provide a specially formulated lubricant that meets the needs of the bike chain and other parts of the bike. This product was created to bring several substantial benefits to the bike chain and the bike as a whole. You can use this lube in both wet and dry conditions, with a similar effect of making the drivetrain smooth and quiet all the time. As a bonus, this lube smells good, too, like orange oil, which should quickly help you clean and maintain the chain. Number 3. Ultrafashs Bike Chain Oil Lubricant Cleaner Set. If you are looking for the most outstanding bike chain cleaner and lube, this product can be an excellent choice. This chain cleaner toolkit includes 6 pieces of tools to help clean and maintain your bike chain thoroughly. These tools include a lubricant, biodegradable degreaser, gear brush, chain scrubber, and gloves. I like the effectiveness of the chain scrubber as it works immediately while cleaning the chain with minimal effort. From my experience, it will only take maybe a minute to feel the cleaning effect of the scrubber. Once applied to your bike, it will not damage parts made of alloy, carbon fiber, and rubber. So, it is safe to use on different bike parts, such as chainrings, pulleys, etc. It has a curved tooth end that can reach deep to hard to reach locations, particularly in between cassette gears. It also comes with tough nylon bristles that can thoroughly clean the bike derailleur, the chain, and other crucial components of the bike. Number 4. STA-BIL Sport Bike Chain Cleaner. This product is a premium lubricant that will help prevent rust on the chain once it is applied. And it limits corrosion too to ensure that everything is smooth and fine during your ride. I am also impressed by the effectiveness of this product from the moment you use it on the chain. It has the ability to penetrate deeply into the bike chain to loosen all the dirt, while helping reduce friction and improve the drivetrain performance. To be honest, it is a thin lube that will displace the dirt buildup and the grimes, and make it easy to work with. Since the chain is the heart of the bike system, it can easily rust or accumulate dirt and grime, which means it is essential to clean it all the time. Overall, this bike chain cleaner is what you need to remove all the dirt and debris accumulating in the bike chain. Including this lube in the maintenance of your bike will help enhance its riding performance while extending the bike's life. Number 5. BOBILIFE Bike Chain Cleaning Kit. The BOBILIFE Bike Chain Cleaning Kit is a multi-purpose cleaner that effectively removes all the dirt in the bike chain. The primary purpose of this product is to provide a durable and powerful chain cleaner that removes dirt and lasts for a long time. What sets this product apart is it is manufactured with high-quality materials to provide durability, hardness, and excellent power. The brush comes with a unique design, specifically the 3-sided bristles, that will allow the cleaning of all sides of the chain. Meanwhile, a long brush on the opposite side will be used in other parts of the bike, such as the wheels or the sprocket. This bike chain cleaner is to provide an easy-to-use cleaning tool for all the bikers. You know how difficult it is to remove gunks and dirt in the bike chain, especially to those hard-to-reach locations of the chain. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.